Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively. Start by truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Consistent practice of basic operations is crucial. Think of it like building a house. A strong foundation prevents future problems. If something feels unclear, ask questions right away. This proactive approach will save you a lot of time and frustration later on. Math is a skill, and skills improve with consistent practice. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to solving problems. Don't shy away from difficult questions. They often reveal areas where you need more clarity. Break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. Reviewing your work helps solidify the methods and ensures you learn from any mistakes. Establish a regular study routine. Consistency is key. Breaking down your study time into manageable chunks, perhaps 25 minutes of study followed by a 5-minute break, can significantly boost your focus. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing essential formulas and definitions. Explaining a concept to someone else is a powerful way to test and deepen your own comprehension. Never be afraid to seek assistance. Your teacher is there to help, and classmates can offer different perspectives. Online resources provide a wealth of supplementary explanations and practice problems. Regular weekly reviews are vital for long-term retention, ensuring you don't forget earlier topics. Finally, practice with past exam papers under timed conditions to build confidence and manage your time effectively during assessments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.